Mwah. Welcome to the Overland Kids YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you the quickest, easiest way to clean a trout. We have our trout here, and what you want to do is take your knife and insert it around the vent area right in here, and just go ahead and start sawing back and forth, little motions. And we'll go all the way up the fish until we get right about here. Do you see the V right here? That's where we're gonna stop, right in here. You'll feel your knife stop right there, all the way up to right below this V, and I feel resistance, so I'm gonna stop there. You see where the jaw is right here of the fish. We're gonna insert our knife right where this V is, right underneath the jaw, and we're just gonna break that loose. Insert your finger right underneath the jaw where you just cut right there, and right here where we slit up towards the jaw, and we want to pull it back. You're down in there real good, and you'll pull out all the guts right here. We've got an air bladder, we've got a liver. Check to see if your liver's clean, it's not spotted or anything like that. Healthy fish. There are your guts. They all just came out right there. Tear the side fins off like that. Those usually come when we pull right there. And now what we're left with is a kidney right along the spine right here, and you can just clean this out with your fingernail. Got this handy sink right here. We're just gonna kind of clean it out. Just slide your fingernail along the kidney right here. There might be eggs or milk left in here. Just want to clean out this kidney, and we'll have a real clean looking fish. Ready to cook. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you have a lot of fun fishing and a lot of fun eating your fish. Thanks for watching.
Oh yeah, skin is falling off. That's how you know it's gonna be good.